Microsoft Sam here. Today I will use my peaceful Windows 11 I have created last week. So let's use it anyway. Wait, what's this? We are now downgrading you to Windows 10.
Easy peasy.
Yes, I like Windows 10 and so out of this. There's a close button, so I'll just get rid of this stupid thing anyway. Now downgrading you to Windows 8.x. Now downgrading you to Windows 7.
Loser.
I like Windows 7-bit, but let's strength is here. Again, we are now downgrading you from Windows 7 to Windows Vista. Oh, and I also forgot that Windows Vista also no longer exists. Stupid Vista. I fucking hate this, is so much Windows Vista, it's so fucking evil, Vista is the most favorite operating system in the whole world of my fucking life. Let's try this anyway, damn it. Fine. The downgrader is back to downgrade you from Windows Vista. We are now downgrading you to Windows XP. Plus, I also forgot that the support for Windows XP has ended anyway. So have fun with your XP. Yes, Windows XP is my favorite operating system ever in the whole world of my fucking life. Fuck yes. Windows Server 2003 is so fucking give me back my fucking Windows 11 right now. What the shit? I am extremely mad at you. More like fucking bullshit. Cleanse I liked it. Now I can go back to Windows. Really? I got fucking jump scared by that stupid annoying sound. What the fuck is with him? That's it. I'm just turn off my PC.
Wait, turn off, you'll lose your computer.
Wait, did it say if I turn my PC off, I'll lose my PC NRP? I'm pretty sure I left my Windows 11 back anyways. I got my Windows 11 back. Now I can. You played your PC off for the last time. That's it. Now you have to enter the correct code by pressing this. Oh, I don't know the code. Just wait. I think I might get it wrong. I'm opening my computer. Now I'm being called. Just 1 second. I will make you. Wait, I got it. This may be fucking way else I will fucking say it. I'm not going back.
Now you may go back to your session.
Finally, my Windows 11 peaceful is finally back. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is me. I'll see you next time.